Great day, everyone. This is Robert Hollis. This is day 3 of me trading and learning to invest. Okay, so again, all I did was click on an affiliate link, create a free Robinhood account. They gave me $5 to invest. I invested it in NVIDIA, and now I'm starting to continue to market. So here's where people panic. Again, learn the phrase. When in doubt, zoom out. So today you can look on here and it's in the red. That's not good. That's stop sign. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? And here's where people don't trust themselves or trust others that know what they're doing. They have evidence of doing it. So just like we talked about, when in doubt, zoom out. I haven't been investing for even a week. So let's go back here. Now, one of the things you're going to see now is that I have $1,100 in there. I put 1,000 in, and then now I'm doing daily cost averaging of $50 a day. So what I did is I said, listen, I'm going to start out investing a thousand a month, and what I'm going to do is, divide that by the number of days where they're actually trading, right? So that's 20. So 1,000 divided by 20, that's $50 a day. So it's not going to, happen on weekends and stuff. So now you see it in the green when I go to a week, right? And so in the past week, again, if you know what you make on bank accounts and stuff, it's crazy. It's so sad. So, now you look and it's what? I wonder if it stays there. Yeah, so 5.8% that I've made in the last week. But again, I'm not. Yeah, I'm just new. Apologize. And by the way, I'm not an expert. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sick and tired of being sick and tired. I need to trust myself and just do. So I'm only, trading one stock. It's funny when I got my account, the first $5 that I put in was in Microsoft, and I'm going to find a way to sell that. I guess I got to be in here for 3 days. So now let's go back to rewards. So I'm sending out my link. This is where you click on, get your affiliate link. You can share on Twitter. And then it goes down here and shows exactly what you can make. I didn't realize today, I actually read where you can get, pay $1,500 a year by referring friends. But some friends you can make up to $10 and $200. I don't know what the difference is there. But, here you can share your link and there you go. So I'll click on see past rewards. And again, each and every one of them. Eric, thank you. Linda V, Faith, Robert J, Deborah G, Raymond, Diane, Leonard, Craig, I appreciate you, Jerome, William, and there you go. So, it's like, what is that? I don't know. But it's pretty interesting that you can go down here and track every single one of them that has decided to follow this path with us. And again, the movie that actually inspired this, first it was Hannah Hollis, my daughter-in-law, that said, I'm tired of Matthew talking and Robert talking about the stock going up. And if we go back there, I'm just going to go back and just click on the video here. When you do this, this is when it gets crazy. So let's go back 3 months. 3 months, instead of no money in your bank account, you would have only made 41% on your money. Okay, let's go back year to date. So you started in January. You would only have made 130%. Again, no guarantees. Let's go back a year. A year, 179%. I don't know if you guys seen the post yesterday, whether you like her or not. So if you went back 5 years, 3,000% return on your money. If you go max, let's do the max because that's always disturbing to me. 144%. Holy cow. So again, daily cost averaging, referring it to others, all of us together believing in NVIDIA. I believe they're going to be around, but again, that's my opinion. So love it, appreciate you. So when it goes down, when in doubt, zoom out, right? Okay, take care. Have a great day. I will put my affiliate link, or if someone sends my affiliate link, please, 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 please um, use their affiliate link. Take care and have a great day. I believe in you, and if no one's giving you permission to be happy and succeed, I do. Check out my YouTube channel at youtube.com/Robert Hollis. Have a great day.